Hi, it's David from Rolling Mavericks. Today I want to talk about chain pliers. I have 3 bikes and all bikes use master clips on the chain with one of those clips. And those can be fiddly and sometimes a hassle to take off, but not if you have the right tool, a chain plier. For various reasons, I don't use riveted master links. I always use a clip. For example, on my Husqvarna 701, I don't particularly care for the first gear. It's too tall, so I have a very large sprocket on the back. It's so large that if I want to take out the wheel or fix a flat, I have to break the chain, and that's why I use master links with a clip. Now, a few years ago, I bought this Motion Pro chain plier, and I like it, but it's somewhat limited. And now I have found a much better tool called the Hozan P-221 chain pliers. The Hozan chain pliers have a few features I really like. For example, on the Motion Pro, one jaw is stepped and it's only on the front. But on the Hozan chain pliers, they're stepped on all sides. That means you can take off or put on the clip like this horizontally, but if you have some sort of awkward situation, you can't reach it from this side, you can also do it from the side. And the pliers are also magnetic. Could be a little bit stronger, but at least you can hold up the link itself. The Hozan chain pliers are well made and they're suited for both bicycle chains but also for motorcycle chains, and the motorcycle chains in the size 410 to 630. I like these Hozan pliers so much that they have found a definite home in my workshop, but I wouldn't take them on the trail with me for that. They're a little bit too heavy and they don't pack very compact in your tool roll. Thanks for watching, drive safely and see you next time.